Yes, indeed. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Guess what TV where we keep you guessing? In today's video, I will unbox JBL Flip 6 speaker. This updated version of the Bluetooth speaker is louder, more powerful. The beat goes on with the JBL Flip 6 two-way speaker system, engineered to deliver loud, crystal clear, powerful sound. Its racetrack-shaped woofer delivers exceptional low frequencies and mid-range, while a separate tweeter produces crisp, clear, high frequencies. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. You can bring this speaker with you anywhere. Party Boost allows you to pair two JBL Party Boost compatible speakers together for stereo sound or link multiple JBL Party Boost compatible speakers to truly pump up your party. The JBL Portable app is available on the App Store. Get updates, product support straight from your phone. Unlock features, amplify your audio, or tweak your bass for total control over your sound. This wireless Bluetooth speaker streams up to 12 hours of playtime, depending on your content and volume. Now we're going to do a sound test.